Toyota just unveiled something wild that changes everything about mobility aids. It's a chair that walks. No wheels, just four robotic legs. Meet the WalkMe, a four-legged autonomous chair that can climb stairs, cross gravel paths, navigate uneven terrain, and here's the craziest part. It folds itself into carry-on size in just 30 seconds. Here's how it works. Each leg moves independently like a goat climbing rocks. When it encounters stairs, the front legs climb first, testing the height while the rear legs push the weight upward. The whole time, LiDAR and radar sensors are scanning the environment to avoid obstacles. You control it three ways. Twist the side handles to steer manually, use buttons for precise movements, or just say, "kitchen," and it maps a route for you. Voice commands like faster or slower adjust the stride length in real time. But the engineering is what's really impressive. Weight sensors ensure you stay centered before any major movement. Collision radars stop the chair instantly if something crosses its path. And if the system detects an imbalance, it automatically adjusts the base and tilts the seat to keep you stable. The seat itself molds to your body with a curved backrest that supports your spine. And that folding feature? Press one button and the legs telescope in. The knees bend and ankles tuck under. 30 seconds later, it's in your car trunk. Press again and it unfolds, locks into place, and does a quick balance check. Toyota designed this for real-world challenges that traditional wheelchairs can't handle. The 3 steps to a friend's porch, gravel walks to the garden, narrow elevators, and Japan's elevated homes with sunken entrances. The chair can even lift itself up on tiptoes to help you transfer into a car. The battery hidden behind the seat provides power for a full day of use, and you just plug it into the wall overnight to charge. Now this is still a prototype shown at the Japan Mobility Show 2025, and Toyota hasn't announced pricing or availability yet, but it represents something bigger, a future where mobility aids aren't limited by terrain, architecture, or even the concept of wheels. Compare all the latest robots at myrobot.shop. Follow us for daily robot news.